This shop has been around for roughly 22 years. One of the products that we really like is the Synergy. Just wanted to give you a quick tip, and that is that when you're doing a massive defoliation, plants are losing their ability to create the sugar that the roots and microbiome need. If you're using a product like Synergy by Grotek, that mycorrhiza is going to be looking for sugar all the time, and when you remove all the leaves, and it can't create as much sugar, so that's a great time to hit it with Right, which is a sugar blend that will feed both the mycorrhiza and the microbes living in your root zone. I really appreciate you guys swinging by our shop. Look forward to seeing you again. There you go.